You're planning to go to an event, but you're confused about how to network? You are not alone. Networking is a crucial aspect of professional growth and success. Here are 12 tips to help you network effectively. Authenticity is key in networking. Be sincere in your interactions and genuinely interested in getting to know others. When engaging in conversation, focus on listening rather than just talking about yourself. Show genuine interest in what others have to say. When introducing yourself, be clear and concise. State your name, profession, and any relevant information that might spark a conversation. Dress appropriately for networking events and maintain a professional demeanor. Avoid controversial topics and be mindful of your body language. Be mindful of others' time constraints and avoid monopolizing conversations. If someone seems busy, respect their space and try to schedule a follow-up conversation if needed. After meeting someone new, follow up with a personalized email or LinkedIn message to express your appreciation for their time and to reinforce the connection. Networking is a two-way street. Offer to help others with their goals or challenges whenever possible without expecting immediate reciprocation. When exchanging contact information, offer your business card or ask for their contact details politely. Avoid being too pushy or overly aggressive. Make an effort to remember people's names and use them in conversation. This shows that you value and respect them. Before attending networking events, do some research on the attendees or the organization hosting the event. This will help you initiate meaningful conversations and find common ground. If you're attending a structured networking event, follow any guidelines or protocols provided by the organizers. This might include how to approach others, time limits for conversations, or specific networking activities. Maintain a positive attitude and be approachable to others. Smile, make eye contact, and engage in open body language to signal your willingness to connect. Follow vFairs and hit the subscribe button for more tips.